In this video, I'll be doing an Invisalign case review where I talk about this specific case where we corrected crowding, crossbites. Yes, you can correct crossbites with Invisalign. I'll show you how. And black triangles up next. So let's go. Hey guys, this is Dr. Robert Passamano. I'm a board certified orthodontist. Today we're going to be talking about this specific Invisalign case. She presents with upper and lower crowding, crossbites in the front lower anterior lateral incisor, as well as the upper left second premolar. That's tooth number 13 and 26. She is also a high risk for black triangles because there's lower crowding. She is no longer a growing individual, so the gum tissue doesn't grow in there. We'll go into more specifics on that. And then for this patient, we decided to do the crossbite correction with the braces. You can see the braces are on the teeth. This is what we did on appointment number 1. It saves about 6 to 10 months versus doing crossbite correction with Invisalign, because Invisalign with crossbite correction is usually slower. There's more issues with it. With braces or segmental braces, it could speed up the treatment. So let's talk a little bit more about the crossbite correction. We're 8 months into treatment right now, and the crossbite is already corrected. If I did this with Invisalign only, I probably wouldn't be fully corrected on the crossbite for about a year and a half. So this is a great time saver. I estimated we saved about 8 months of treatment time just by doing the braces. The patient didn't mind it at all. It was outside the aesthetic zone, and I think it really kept us on target with this full 18-month plan for Invisalign treatment. Let's talk about black triangles. Black triangles are where there is missing gum tissue that has been squeezed out because of crowding and previously. So for this patient, you can see there's a little bit of crowding here on the bottom. When teeth are crowded, they take up less room, and therefore that gum tissue gets squeezed out. When you resolve the crowding, now you can see the black triangles or the space between the teeth. And this is an area where we can reduce the size of the black triangles with something called IPR. IPR, interproximal reduction. We go in between the teeth. We take away a little bit of the enamel at the top of the triangle, squeeze the teeth together, and then therefore the black triangle goes away. And for this specific patient, this is the patient now, we have a black triangle. So we didn't do any IPR at the first round. This is 8 months into treatment. Now we're going to do the IPR. We're going to reduce this little black triangle by doing some IPR at the top of the teeth. So let's look at the digital simulation now. Here's the digital simulation. You can see that the IPR is on the lower to reduce the black triangles as well as improve the bite. We can see that the left side crossbite has been corrected. These two are new attachments that are being added, so the braces are removed, and now we're switching over to the Invisalign attachments. Everything looks great. Teeth are being aligned. Overbite looks really good, so this is an excellent case. We're about 10 months into treatment at this point right now. Here's the black triangle review. As you can see, the black triangle has greatly been decreased. You can see that there's less space where food would get stuck. Visually, it looks a lot better because there's less dark spaces between the teeth. Functionally, much better because there's less area for food to get stuck. So I think this is a great example of what black triangle reduction can do. Are the black triangles completely gone? No, they're not completely gone in this instance. You would have to remove a lot of the tooth structure to get rid of the black triangle completely. So this is a compromise and a discussion with me and the patient to decide how much is enough reduction, how much is too much reduction, and what is going to make the patient happy. All right, let's do the Invisalign case review. 18 months of treatment, upper and lower crowding resolved, crossbite on the front lower incisor as well as the upper left premolar resolved. We use the braces to help hurry up the process. Also, I think we get a better result with the braces than the Invisalign because of the root mechanics are better with the braces than the Invisalign. Black triangles also taken out. So I think we got a great result here. Very happy with it. She's thrilled with it. The smile looks great. And we did it all in about a year and a half. And this looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching this Invisalign case review. Hopefully you found it useful. Maybe you're someone that's looking to do Invisalign treatment and this case is just like you. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.